Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a buffer time before or after events. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that after a meeting or an appointment, you want to have a 15-minute break. How do you actually go ahead and make it so that people don't schedule meetings with you one right after the other? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is that we're just going to click on one of these demo meetings that we have here. Let's click on this one-off meeting. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on schedule settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down to where it says event limits and then buffer time. Right now, I don't have a buffer time. So what that looks like is that it means that people can schedule an appointment one after the other without there being any time in between events. So click on none, which is located right next to buffer time, and then click on 15 minutes. So what this means is that after an event gets booked, there's going to be a 15-minute delay before the next event can be booked. So this is really useful in order for you to take breaks between sales calls or appointments. So from here, you could actually do a 15-minute buffer after, or you can do a certain minute buffer before the event as well. So we're just going to click on save and close. And so this just makes it so I personally use it so that I don't have a lot of meetings back to back, and it allows me some time to run to the bathroom or a snack time. So either way, guys, this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add buffers to your events. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.